Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video of Tech Hackers, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how can you do live like a pro. And for this we'll be using some softwares and we'll be doing live from our PC. So the software that we are gonna be using can be downloaded easily from the link given in the description, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how can download the softwares and install them on your PC correctly without having any kind of problem. So firstly, for that, go to google.com and search for OBS Studio. After you search for OBS Studio, click on the first link that you will see on Google. Then you will be dedicated to this site. You can download the OBS for your Mac as well as for Linux. So I got 32-bit, so I'll be installing 32-bit. So if you have 64-bit, just click on the button just above the 30-bit. I have literally already downloaded this software, so I will cancel the download so that the time will be saved and we can utilize our time. So after doing this, you guys need to go to the description down below, and from the link you need to download Photoshop CS6. So basically I am using CS6, so you can use any Photoshop as you want, but I'm using CS6 because I personally use it the most and I think it is pretty friendly with me. So you can use any of the updated version. So you can simply click on download button to download this software. So let us install the downloaded file. So firstly, what you guys need to do is open the OBS Studio software that I have recently downloaded. The installation process is very easy. So for this you need to accept the administration, so permission. After you accept, click on next, then I agree, then next, then install. So it is pretty simple to install this software, and this software is freely available on Google, or its official page is easily obtainable. I'll put the link in the description for all the softwares that I have used in this video. So let it be installed. Okay, now the software has been installed. So what you guys have to do is just launch it for the first time. So I have simply clicked on the launch it for first time and click on finish. So this will take a lot of time because it's the first time you're opening the app, so it will be taking a short time for the first opening. So you can simply click on OK. By clicking on OK, you will be agreed to their terms and conditions. So after that, you will receive such a pop-up, and in this screen we will be managing our live session and all the graphics designing of our live session. So this is the single page where we will be doing the live from, this is known as the OBS Studio interface. So let us go and extract the file that we have downloaded Photoshop. So click on OK and extract it anywhere you find easy to find it in the future while doing the live session. So guys, what we are gonna do from the Photoshop is we are going to design the interface for our live stream. So this is basically helpful. The Photoshop is the best tool that I have found and I have used here for designing something great. So there are many apps, but Photoshop is free and it's pretty easy than others. So after it get extracted, you guys need to go to the file where you have extracted it and simply run Photoshop portable and simply install the app from the .exe file. So you can simply install it. It's a quick installation. So for more, see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great time, bye bye, and have a great day.